Let's make the Goslings Espresso Martini, also called the gem. Personally, I think they should have called this one a Goslings Espresso Rumtini because it's made with rum instead of vodka. In which case, it should have been called a jur. But maybe that's just me. For those of you who don't know, I'm allergic to coffee. I try to avoid drinking drinks with coffee in them whenever possible, so I've never actually had an espresso martini. In any case, espresso martini never really rises to the point of a drink I hate or sinks to the level of a drink I hate because I can't drink it. I don't know if it's good or bad. So you'll have to let me know. If you give this one a go, let me know how it turns out in the comments down below. And what do you think compared to other espresso martinis? A note to the rum. If you're going to make the gem, you really should be using Goslings Black Seal rum. If you want to use this recipe and use a different rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Goslings Espresso Martini. To make this drink, we are going to start with our simple syrup. We're going to put in half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. And I do make my own simple syrup. This is a 1-to-1. Recipe for this is on the channel if you'd like to check that out, link down below. 1 ounce of espresso, and because of my coffee allergy, I don't normally make espresso. In fact, I've never made espresso. This will probably be better with, it's hissing a little bit. This is probably better with fresh espresso. I'm using canned espresso, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of coffee liqueur, and the official recipe does say kahua. I don't have kahua right now. I've got this coffee liqueur from Loon Liquors, which is a Minnesota local distillery, which I really like using. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And finally, 1 ounce of your Goslings Black Seal rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. The official glass for this is a coupe, and they want me to fill the coupe with ice. That may be enough, because we're going to strain this drink into over new ice. I don't normally put ice in coupes, but here we go. And the garnish, some coffee beans. I'm going to just float those right on top. I'm using 5. You can use however many you want because the recipe doesn't specify. And there you have it. The gem filled to the brim. Drink with good spirits. I'm not going. Question of the day. Are you like me, smart, and think this should have been named a Goslings Espresso Rumtini, a GER, rather than a gem? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.